Ever struggled with a tangled mess of cables? It's like an unsolvable puzzle. What if I told you we could say goodbye to this mess once and for all? Stick around because today on Gadget Glow Up, we're creating a homemade wireless charger that'll keep your devices powered up and your space clutter free. Let's get started. Welcome to Gadget Glow Up, where we turn tech dreams into reality. Dive into our world of DIY tech and gadget magic with bite-sized tips, electrifying project tutorials, and the coolest hacks you've ever seen. Ready to upgrade your gadgets? Let's glow. First, gather your tools and materials. We have a simple list to assist you. You'll require a 10-watt charger, PCBA, which can be conveniently found online. Don't overlook the crucial electromagnetic coils. They form the core of our wireless charger. These can be located at any electronics store, or you can even reuse one from an old charger. Up next, you'll require an enclosure for the wireless charger to house the coil and circuit safely. Feel free to exercise your creativity here. Perhaps a simple plastic box or something more unique, like a book or a decorative item. Lastly, you'll need some elementary tools, a soldering iron, some wire strippers, and a hot glue gun. If you don't have these, don't fret. Options can be found at your local hardware store or even borrowed from a friend. Remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Now that we have everything, let's roll up our sleeves and start crafting. With everything ready, let's start making our wireless charger. Let's get creative, shall we? The initial step is to gear up the charger PCBA. It might seem technical, but trust me, it's pretty straightforward. The PCBA, or printed circuit board assembly, is the heart of our charger, controlling the energy flow from the power source to your gadget. Handle with care. Up next, we'll fashion an enclosure. This is the home for our charger. Imagine it as a protective yet stylish shell for our PCBA. It's crucial to ensure it's robust, to safeguard the electronics, and yet chic enough to not stick out like a sore thumb on your desk or bedside table. With the enclosure ready, it's fixing time for the circuit. This is where our charger begins to show signs of life. It's akin to infusing a soul into our creation. So, be sure to adhere to the guide meticulously. Prioritize safety when dealing with the electrical components. We'll then reattach the coils. They are a vital role in electromagnetic induction, the enchanting science behind wireless charging. To put it simply, these coils will generate an electromagnetic field which is employed to transmit energy from the charger to your gadget. Quite fascinating, right? Lastly, we'll conduct a preliminary test run of the charger. Think of it as a trial run before our charger's big debut. This ensures everything is up and running smoothly. If there are any glitches, it's beneficial to identify them now rather than post-completion of the entire project. We've made substantial strides, but we aren't done yet. Let's forge ahead. We've made it to the halfway mark. Are you set for what's next? Buckle up, because we're about to delve back into the do-it-yourself realm of wireless chargers. Ready to get back into our ongoing project? Let's pick up where we paused. Remember the charger PCBA we assembled earlier? It now needs a home. We're going to secure it in our casing, ensuring it's comfortably and firmly fitted. This is of paramount importance, as proper placement of the circuit board guarantees optimal effectiveness and safety. Next, we're reattaching our coils. This may sound somewhat complex, but it's actually quite simple. Just ensure you adhere to the manufacturer's instructions and you'll be on the right track. The coils are the linchpin of our wireless charger. They enable us to tap into the power of electromagnetic induction. It's tempting to hurry through this section to see your handiwork, but remember, it's all about patience. Take your time with this stage, check your connections twice, and make sure everything is in the right spot. Hang tight, we're nearly there. The last step in creating our charger is the test drive. We want to confirm that our charger isn't just aesthetically pleasing, but that it actually functions. Connect the charger to a power outlet and position your smartphone on it. If you followed all the stages accurately, your phone should start charging wirelessly. Here's a tip. If your phone doesn't start charging immediately, don't worry. Troubleshooting is an integral part of the process. Recheck your connections, ensure your coils are correctly aligned, and that your charger PCBA is securely installed. And there you have it. You've just fashioned your very own wireless charger. Question is, does it work? Let's find out. Let's put our DIY wireless charger to the test. With anticipation, we place our smartphone on the freshly crafted charger. Just watch as we reveal the magic of electromagnetic induction. A minor hum, a slight sparkle, and there we go. Our screen blinks, indicating that our DIY charger is up and running. The joy of seeing your handmade device work effortlessly is truly unique. Now, let's discuss why this wireless charger is about to change your gadget usage. First and foremost, it's all about ease. No more wrestling with cords or straining to see tiny USB ports in the dark. Simply place your device on top and let it work. Next, it's a 10-watt quick charger. It has the ability to charge your smartphone in a snap. You'll be back to scrolling, gaming, or streaming in no time. Finally, perhaps most crucially, it's an outcome of your own effort. There's a certain allure in knowing that this isn't just any ordinary charger. It's a celebration of your creativity, your talent, and your patience. Each time your phone charges up, you'll be reminded of the journey you took to create this device. There you have it, a straightforward solution to a messy problem. Wave goodbye to cable clutter and welcome easy charging. Don't forget to share your experiences, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel to continue to create amazing stuff.